Hey, what's going on you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you add Snapchat filters to existing photos. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now from here, tap on your memory buttons in here, the two squares on the side, and tap on camera roll. So choose a photo you want to apply the filters. Let's say, for example, let's take this one. Now, all you have to do here is tap on the three dots and tap on Edit Snap. Now, here you can actually apply some filters here by swiping left or right, like so. All right, now I think that would be all for this video, guys. This is how you can add Snapchat filters to existing photos. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.